project is about creating green savvy leaders who can visualize a future of sustainability, creativity and connectedness at heart. An experiential learning tool, knowing when you know, doing when you actually do by yourself, then you innovate. You try and doing something else, something different, and then you lead. The place where I started is a tribal school in Raigad district, Maharashtra. So these children, they are of the age group of 13 and 14 years, and they come from tribal communities, mostly the Thakkar and the Katkari community. The reason behind that I chose a tribal school because it's them that would make a green savvy leader. They would be mostly suited because of the environment that they come from already, as well as the in-depth knowledge that they already possess. So this is a very committed group of children of only 24 that I am working with.
लड़कियों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि ये हम क्यों कर रहे हैं, तो उसके बाद तो उन्होंने धीरे धीरे उनको समझाया कि ये जो एनवायरनमेंट है उससे उन्हें हमारी ज़रूरत है और हमें उनकी ज़रूरत है।
Rani Bagh, where they learned about the different species of trees. There were around 456 varieties of trees, and various stories was told about the trees and not just the name. And these stories had a very important elements of both the human being as well as the nature. The University of Life is working in Kodal, and the children was taken there to understand actually the importance of open learning. They learned how to make a solar cooker by reusing these waste plastics. They also created a wall, a sitting area with mud and with the bricks. More about creating the wall, they understood actually what was the pi r square formula and how does it really work. They learned about how to create the fruit enzyme from the peels of these citrus fruits.
कसं बोलायचं, कशी आपल्यामध्ये हिंमत ठेवायची याच्याबद्दल त्यांनी खूप काही आम्हाला सांगितलं आणि आम्हाला कुकर बनवलं, तो आम्हाला खूप आवडला. त्यांनी आम्हाला समजावून सांगितलं, आमच्यावर राग केला नाही, ओरडले नाही. आम्हाला त्यांनी एकदम चांगल्या मनाने सांगितलं.
We thought of engaging the teachers along in the process, and that engagement happened over a period of 3 days, where we designed along with the teachers an ecological learning tool as well as a responsible leadership. I would definitely want this project to be extended, to be taken to more other children of different schools, especially at the age group of 12 to 14 years old, where the children actually are learning a lot and seeing and looking around themselves and are curious as to what is happening around them. And this is the right time where they form perceptions about their future as well. I would also thank Dalai Lama to have seeded this thought in me. Personally, the experience was very enriching. Every day it was a new learning also for me, as I was there more as a learner than as a facilitator.